English, Grade 7.
TypeScript 1.3.1.
Children, listen please. Oh, why are you so naughty? Dara, why are you on the table? You should sit down. Sit down. Dara, listen. Sit down. Sit down now. Oh my. Sapal. Why don't you talk to your partner? What's wrong? You need to talk to your partner. Sapal, talk, please. Talk. My goodness. Listen to me, please. Oh, Bopa, what's wrong? You shouldn't be down there. I think you should stand up. Can you hear me? I want you to stand up. Bopa, stand up now. Please listen, everyone.
TypeScript 1.3.2. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Listen. Listen. Close your book. Close your book. Talk. Talk. Open your book. Open your book. TypeScript 1.3.3.
It's a pen. It's a pen. It's a notebook. It's a notebook. There are some pens. There are some pens. It's a bag. It's a bag. There are some bags. There are some bags. It's an egg. It's an egg.
TypeScript 1.3.4.
Hi, I'm Din. I have a twin. His name is D. He is my twin, but we are not the same. That's my bag. There are some pens. I have 6 pens. I have some notebooks. There are 4 notebooks. There is an orange as well. My bag is blue. That's my favorite color. That's my brother's bag. What's inside? He has a phone. I don't have a phone. I want a phone. There are some notebooks in his bag too. But there are 3 notebooks in his bag. He has some pens too. He has 10 pens. He has some oranges. He likes oranges. He has 3 oranges. He has a blue bag too.
TypeScript 1.3.5.
Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen?
Yes, I do.
Good. How do you spell your name?
It's D-A-R-A.
Sorry, can you say it again, please?
Sure, it's D-A-R-A.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
TypeScript 1.3.6.
Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Can you say it again, please? Can you say it again, please?
Tape script 1.3.7.
My name is Din. I'm 14 and I'm from Kampong Speu. I love my school. There's a football field. I love football. My brother loves football too. I'm a good student. I sit down. I listen to the teacher. I talk to my partner when the teacher says, open your book, I open my book. But my brother is naughty. He doesn't sit down when the teacher says. He doesn't listen to the teacher. But we look the same. He is my twin, so everyone thinks I'm naughty.